No time for the gym? Just walk and watch what happens to your body. Sounds too easy, right? But here's the truth. Walking is one of the most powerful and underrated habits you can build. In today's world, we barely move. Cars, bikes, elevators, everything is designed to reduce our steps. And slowly, that's damaging our health more than we realize. But here's the good news. Your body is designed to heal, improve, and get stronger, just by walking. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your body when you walk for 5, 30, or even 60 minutes. Let's start. After 1 to 5 minutes, the moment you start walking, your body switches on. Your heart rate begins to rise, your blood starts flowing faster, and your muscles warm up. It's like your body is saying, let's go. Stiff joints? They begin to loosen up thanks to natural lubrication inside your joints. And yes, you're already burning calories. Your body starts using both fat and carbs as fuel almost immediately. Not bad for just a few minutes, right? 5 to 10 minutes. Now things get more interesting. Your heart is pumping stronger, sending more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. You might feel slightly warmer. That's your metabolism kicking in. Your body releases special chemicals that widen your blood vessels, improving circulation. 10 to 20 minutes. At this stage, your body enters a more active zone. You may start sweating, and that's a good sign. Your body is cooling itself while burning more calories. Your breathing gets deeper, delivering even more oxygen to your muscles. And here's where it gets powerful. Hormones like adrenaline start to increase, giving you more energy and focus. 20 to 45 minutes. Now you're in the sweet spot. Your body begins to release endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones. This is why walking can instantly boost your mood, reduce stress, and even help fight anxiety. At the same time, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat. 45 to 60 minutes. Now you're unlocking the full power of walking. Your heart gets stronger. Your endurance improves. Your body burns more calories. If you're walking outside, you're also getting natural sunlight, which helps your body produce vitamin D, essential for immunity and bone health. So what's the takeaway? You don't need extreme workouts to improve your health. Start small. Walk more. Take the stairs. Walk to nearby places. Make it a daily habit. Because every step you take is a step toward a healthier, stronger, and happier version of yourself. So tell me, how many minutes are you going to walk today? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe Nutrify Health for more simple health tips.